Today is day number 7 of the Advent calendar. Rem, that's a number number 7. Do you understand that?
Okay.
You're good?
You got it.
You good?
Gotta find 7. Good. Get to 7.
What number is that?
So,
Are you sure? It is 7. You did it again.
get to 7, boy.
You got it. You
Gotta
got
get
the
it.
7.
Get it.
You knocked it halfway open already. You're destroying the number 7.
The 21.
He keeps stepping on numbers and opening them up, other numbers up. So even though he's opening 7 now, he just accidentally opened, and he's stepping on 13 and putting a hole in that one.
Treat.
Bruce, why don't you help him get it out? Oops, he did. Let's show the number 7. Put the number 7 back on. So he got the number 7, but he stepped on 21. He stepped on the number 21 and he stepped on the number 13. Now he's choking
You okay?
on his number 7. You did it, Rem. You're a genius.